In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your public privacy settings on LinkedIn. If you want more control over what other people can see about you on LinkedIn, this is a great place to start. LinkedIn gives you several visibility options, so you can decide how public or private different parts of your profile should be. This can be especially useful if you're job searching, networking, or simply reviewing your account settings for better privacy. To begin, log into your LinkedIn account and look to the top right corner of the screen. There, click on the Me menu. This opens a drop-down with account-related options and shortcuts to your profile settings. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is the main area where LinkedIn lets you manage your account preferences, including security, communications, and of course, visibility controls. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, go to the Visibility section. This is where you'll find the privacy options related to how your profile and activity appear to other people on LinkedIn and sometimes outside of LinkedIn as well. In this section, you'll be able to adjust the privacy settings for different parts of your profile individually. That's helpful because you don't have to apply one setting to everything. Instead, you can review each option and choose what works best for you. For example, you can change your page visit visibility, which controls what others see when you visit their profile. You can also review your public profile settings, which affect how your profile appears to people who may find you through search engines or when they're not signed into LinkedIn. You'll also see options for email visibility, connection visibility, follow visibility, and last name visibility. These settings allow you to decide who can see your email, whether others can view your connections, whether people can follow you, and how much of your last name is shown on your profile. Take a moment to go through each of these settings carefully. Since they're managed individually, you can make your profile more open in some areas and more private in others, depending on your goals and comfort level. You may also notice additional visibility options in this section beyond the ones mentioned here. If so, it's a good idea to review those as well so you fully understand how your profile is being shared. Once you've updated the settings you want, you're all set. That's all.